What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Adrian here from Mateo Drones, bringing you another video. This is going to be a video using the Dji FPV Drone, using the motion controller. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, I got it. This should be amazing. First time ever using it. You're going to see me in action. So let me go ahead. First of all, I will ask you to please go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. Give the video a like. If you like the videos, share it with everybody you know. I will really appreciate it. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Don't forget that every Saturday, I do my live stream at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Stay tuned for that. Without further ado, let me go ahead and put on the goggles. And go ahead and get the motion controller. You get situated. And you have to go ahead and double tap the red button to arm the motors. There you go, it's armed. And one long press. There you go. And I have it in normal mode. Let me go ahead and go up. Holy crap. This is so weird. And you also have the trigger right here, kind of like a remote control. If you have any nitro gas remote electric control, you have the trigger for the throttle. And you aim down, up, side, side. But if you want to yaw to the left or to the right, see, some people don't even know what they're doing. They will literally do this. They will yaw like that, press, straighten up, yaw again, press, straighten up, yaw again, press. You don't need to do all of that. All you gotta do is tilt it to the left or tilt it to the right. See your wrist. That's all you gotta do. Again, some people that claim them to be geniuses, they didn't even know how to do that. All you got to do is watch the video, because Dji have a video that will let you know how to use it. Let me go ahead and go forward. Aim down to go down. Aim up. Hit that trigger. Got it in normal mode. It seems to be pretty easy. It just feels weird because I'm used to the remote control. But this motion controller is so much freaking fun. I just gotta get used to it. Holy cow. Easy tiger. There goes my princess right there. As you can see, anybody could pretty much use this. It is so easy. If you actually wear the goggles, you'll be able to see. All you got to do is just aim where you want the circle to go to, and then your drone will follow you on the goggles with the remote, with the motion controller. Again, this is in normal mode. Let me stop right there. Let me put it into sports mode. There you go. Now it's in sports mode, so now it's going to go quicker. Let me make sure that I have the brake right handy just in case. Holy cow. Oh my God, this is so much freaking fun. Holy crap, I just booked it at about 35 miles an hour. Whoa. Whoa. This is amazing. I still have like 65% battery, so I still have enough time. Let me go ahead and feel a little devilish. Daredevil. Let me go through here. Whoa! Holy cow. I'm recording myself and I'm also recording it. Recording this flight. Let me go through here. Oh my god, I didn't think this was going to be so much fun. But it is. As you guys can see, I haven't crashed yet, which is good. And again, I have it in sports mode. Okay, I gotta get my hands settle down. Be cool, you got this. Sweet. This thing is freaking amazing. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Motion controller, baby. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Whoa! Holy crap! Holy Jesus. Holy moly donut shop. This is fun. I'll put it back in normal. Normal mode. I'm going to come in for a landing. The remote control to the motion and somewhere else. And that's pretty much what I got for you guys for this flight. Again, this is the motion controller for the Dji FPV Drone. Again, Adrian from Mateo Drones. I will see you on the next flight. Have a great Sunday. You have to go ahead and double tap it again to land, I believe. No, you gotta hold it down to land. There you go. Landing. And that's pretty much it. Oh my god, this was so much fun, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I really appreciate you guys. See you later. Peace.